In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image as a link to your eBay listing description. This is a great way to make your listings more visually appealing and interactive, which can help attract more buyers. We'll walk through each step together to ensure you're equipped with everything you need to elevate your eBay listings. Let's begin by uploading your extra images to an external image host. You might choose popular sites like Postimages, or if you have one, your own HTTPS enabled server. These platforms will securely store your images and provide you a direct link that can be easily embedded elsewhere. Once you've uploaded your image, take a moment to find the direct image link. This should be straightforward, typically ending in extensions like .jpg or .png, and it's crucial for the next steps. Now log into your eBay account if you haven't done so already. Head over to the My eBay section and click on Selling. From here, decide whether you want to create a new listing or edit an existing one. As you navigate through the listing options, scroll down until you reach the description box. This is where we're going to work some of our HTML magic. In the upper right corner of this box, you'll notice an option to show HTML code. Make sure you check this box as it allows us to directly input HTML code for a bit more control and customization in your listing. Next, we need to insert some code into this area. The piece of HTML code you'll use is simple. Don't worry if this seems a bit technical, we'll go through it step by step. You'll want to replace HTTPS, your link.com, with the URL you'd like the image to redirect to. This is where your potential buyers will go when they click on the image. It could be another product, a detailed description page, or any other relevant web page. The next part, HTTPS, your image URL.jpg, should be swapped with the direct link of your hosted image. This tells eBay where your image is stored and allows it to be displayed within your listing. Once all that is in place, uncheck the Show HTML Code box to return to your standard text view. You should now see the image appearing in the description area. If everything's correct, clicking on the image will take you to the link you designated. And there you have it, a more dynamic and visually engaging eBay listing by embedding an image link into the description. This method not only enriches the buyer's experience, but can also potentially increase your sales by drawing more attention to your listings. Thank you for following along, and happy selling on eBay.